Welcome to Mosspits!
Welcome to Mosspits Lane Primary School. My name is Ben and I'm the head boy.
My name is Jessica and I'm the head girl. Let's take a look inside.
This is the entrance to our school.
This is the office where our office staff will make you feel welcome. This is our head teacher's office.
Let's go in and meet Miss Everett.
Hello and welcome to Mosspits Lane Primary School. I'm Louise Everett and I'm fortunate to be the head teacher of this wonderful school. Mosspits is a happy, friendly school with a family ethos and a lovely atmosphere. We work together as one big team, the staff, pupils, parents, governors and the local community to ensure we deliver the very best education for our children. Our classrooms are full of happy, smiling children who love coming to school to work and play, and the key to this is great teaching and learning. We nurture a positive attitude so our children can grow in self-respect, self-confidence, and so they can thrive both in and out of the classroom. The staff of the school are dedicated and committed to ensuring that each child reaches their full potential, and they aim for the highest educational standards to ensure this happens. Opportunities and experiences throughout our school are many, and we can see this from the many extracurricular clubs, from sports clubs, choir, language classes to chess and drama. We have a super parents association who organise lots of family fundraising events. And we offer wraparound care with a breakfast and after school club. Our school website, mosspits.com, is the place to visit to get a real flavour of all that we can offer. A rich curriculum with all our activities and resources, and it's regularly updated with all the current information and news. We love our school and we're really proud of all its achievements and what it can offer, and we'd love you to join us. I hope you enjoy this virtual tour, and if you have any further queries, please don't hesitate to contact us by email at office@mosspits.com. I look forward to welcoming you to Mosspits Lane Primary School in person in the near future.
Hello, my name's Olivia and I'm Deputy Head Girl of Mosspits.
Hi, I'm Ted. I'm Deputy Head Boy of Mosspits. We're going to show you reception.
This way.
These are our reception classrooms.
We've made a video to show you what it's like inside.
Here it is now.
Hi, my name is Harry and I'm a prefect.
Hi, my name's Libby. I'm a prefect and a wellbeing ambassador. For our wellbeing, we use the science room.
Let's go inside. This is the Starlight Room. We talk about our thoughts and feelings and worries in here.
The Starlight Room is open at lunchtime, like someone like me will be here to talk to.
And at other times there'll be adults.
This is the Year 2 corridor.
And this is one of our Year 2 classrooms.
And this is the other Year 2 classroom.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm a prefect at Mosspits.
Hi, I'm Anne and I'm Henry from the Prefect of Mosspits, and this is our lower hall.
In here we do PE, assemblies and nativity shows.
This is our upper hall. It's directly above the lower hall we just showed you. We use this for PE, assemblies and more.
I'm Reese.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Zoe.
And we are
all
the
Year 6 prefects.
This is the start of the Year 1 corridor.
But before that, let's go outside to the forest school.
This is the forest school.
It's mostly used by Year 1s.
What other year groups use it? This is the part of the Year 1 classrooms.
And this is the other Year 1 classroom.
Hi, I'm Isabel and I'm a Year 6 school prefect.
Hi, I'm Lewis and I'm a Year 6 school prefect.
As you can see, we're in the school canteen.
Let's go have a look inside.
Where we have our lovely school meals made by very friendly kitchen staff.
And if you don't want one of the school dinners, then you can bring your own packed luncheon. Hi, my name's Greta and I'm a Year 6 prefect. Hi, my name's Joshua and I'm a Year 6 prefect, and this is our day. This is our galleon, and it's made to look like a pirate ship. The younger children love to play on this. This is our mugger, and it stands for multi-use game area. This is our reflective space and wooden walk. This space is used for reflecting and having a quiet time when you are upset. And then the walk is made for just having a nice peaceful walk, like you're having a walk around the park. Come and have a walk with us. This is a place where we can play games and talk and talk. Shall we go back inside? My name is Madeline and I'm a Year 6 prefect.
My name is Lily and I'm a Year 6 prefect.
And this is the Year 3 corridor.
This is the first Year 3 classroom.
This is our computer room.
Let's go in.
This is our computer suite.
This is where we use different software and apps to create interesting and creative work.
We learn about how computers work in everyday life. This is our other Year 3 classroom.
Hello, I'm Lottie and I'm a Year 6 prefect.
Hello, I'm Paddy and I'm Year 6.
And this is the Year 5 crowd. And this is our other Year 5 classroom.
This is the library.
Let's go. This is our library and we've got lots of books here to read and take home.
We also use this space for small group learning.
This is the entrance to our Year 4 area.
This is our Year 4 classroom.
And this is our other Year 4 classroom.
Welcome to our Year 6 corridor. This is one of the many reading spaces in our school.
We call it the Reading Nook.
This is one of our Year 6 classrooms.
This is the second Year 6 classroom.
Thank you for looking around our school. We hope to see you again soon.
The staff are very helpful and supportive.
The staff are supportive and will always help you with what you need.
There are a lot of a variety of different clubs and sports after schools.
When you come into school, you always feel safe.
Across the years, you've learned so much from all the brilliant teachers in all the year groups.
I love the sports in Mosspits.
I love Mosspits for all its clubs.
One of the best things about Mosspits is the support from all the staff.
I love Mosspits because of the fun and engaging lessons.
I like naughty writing, which is writing things on the table with whiteboard pen.
My favourite thing about Mosspits is the wide range of sports and activities.
My favourite thing about Mosspits is all of the subjects. I really like doing DT. A school trip that inspired me was the World Museum when we went to the Egypt room. I faced my fear at the mummy room. I felt nervous at first, but when I came out, I felt amazing.
We get a lot of opportunities to represent our school, like singing in Hope University and competitions.
What I like about Mosspits is the food technology that we have in not just science but making and tasting food from year 1 to year 6.
The thing I like about our school is the equipment and toys on the yard. They're really fun to play with.